Hey there guys, welcome to today's video where we'll be unboxing a Wanhao Duplicator i3 V2, which seems to be an awesome printer for its price, which is around 400 bucks, and we'll be unboxing a pack of white filament from Matter Hackers. So let's get into it before we talk for too long. Alright, let's get into this. This is going to be the filament I ordered from Wanhao online. They buy and I guess sell from Matter Hackers. So this is going to be white PLA from Matter Hackers for my 1.75 3D printer. And if you continue watching, it's going to be next. So keep tuned. Main reason I had just started the video out where I did was I wanted you guys to see how they pack it. That I'm not really sure if inside this there is a little box or if it was just this one box. So there's plenty more to be seen on my channel. This is just going to be the first little thing I do. Well, I'm going to put this with my 3D printing video, where I unbox the Wanhao Duplicator i3 V2, which I honestly, in my opinion, think is a great 3D printer from what I've seen so far. And it's going to be a lot of fun. As I said, it is going to be the next part right after I unbox this. Well, it might be in a different one, and depending on how long this takes. But we will see. Alright. So it's looking like that there wasn't a second box in here, so I'm happy I just did this. Bunch of filament, bunch of peanuts. Alright. I had not actually gotten my printer yet, so this is just going to be a video real quick before that. And I'm not going to actually unbox it fully. I'm just going to get it to this point so where you guys can see it. And that's going to be about it for the this first part of the video. Simply because I don't want to open this up. I've heard that it can get moisture can seep into it, which is not good. So I'm just going to leave it in the this little packaging. This keeps all the air out of it. But it looks nice. I'm just gonna zoom it up. This is just gonna be PLA 1.75. It's a 1 kilogram of it, which, I mean, it seems like it's good. It came in about 2 days, so it was really quick shipping on their part. Came from California to PA, which to do that in 2 days is pretty impressive. Again, it is from Matter Hackers, which it should be a good thing. First time I've actually seen Matter Hackers, so hopefully we'll see. Alright, let's watch the second part.
So it finally came. It's been about a week or two for this, so let's just get into it. If any of this is off camera at any point, I'm sorry about that. So I've been looking forward to getting this forever. This is going to be my first 3D printer, as I probably said earlier, but definitely is exciting. I'm going to guess I opened it the right way. Maybe not. I want to make sure I get it out with yellow filament. Kind of surprised about that. They'll tack, I think. Alright. So now that we got the box out of the way, let's actually dig into it. This is kind of like a kid on Christmas morning, I guess. Wish I knew how to open it. Let's actually try to get into this. Not really sure where to start. If you guys haven't noticed, this is going to be my first couple of videos, my first couple of unboxings, so probably look nervous. Sorry if you guys see my head. Definitely packaged well. Alright. Alright, got some scissors, so let's actually get this out now. Maybe. It is a little early in the morning, so that's why I'm kind of quiet. Maybe this was not well thought out. Alright. Like that. I'm guessing I was definitely supposed to open this a different way. Oh, that was not what I expected.
As you guys can tell, I wanted something that was kind of put together, because if this was a whole kit, it would go badly. Alright, so I'll show you what's in here. Memory card for putting on your stuff on a file, on that. A cable of some kind, USB cable. Okay. Power supply cable. Oh, this is probably for to put the filament on. And here's the other part of it. As you can probably tell, it is all metal, and it's very sturdy. Here's some of the glues, and here's a knife to get the parts out that you want. Alright. Now I'm going to leave this as this video as it is, because it's probably getting long. So you guys can come back next time, and I'll have a setting up video and my first print, hopefully. Alright, see you guys.